Okay, so on this problem here, the first thing that we need to do is we're going to create a table. Today's lesson, basically, it's going to be on matching equations to tables and graphs. So whenever you have a table, again, you click on plus table and you start typing in these values. Once you have that, we already have the answer here, which is okay. But let's start typing in with the next one, which is y equals 5x. As you can tell, the line does not go through the point, so that's not it. Now let's go to the main one, x plus 5. See how the line touches all the points? That's why that one is your answer. On this one, now we're going to match a graph to an equation. So let's start typing in the first one, y equals negative 20x plus 5. Automatically see that the direction of the line is going down and this one's going up, so it is not that one. I'm not even going to check the graph itself. Let's go on to b, y equals 5x plus 20. And then we have this part right here. So let me open up my graph just to observe here. So on this one, this point is crossing the y at 20. So I just click on the line. Let me do this. I click on the line and this one is 0, 20, which is right here. Let me go on to this one, which is 230. And what I do is I put it right here, 2, 30, and I label it. Yes, it's touching the line. Let me check another one that is right on the line, which is 440. So let me put here 4, 40. And it is touching the line. So yes, I found my answer on this one, which is 5x plus 20. This one is going to be the same thing. We're going to type in the equation here to see which one matches that one. As you can see, we have several points that we need to look at. And make sure that on the x-axis, which is this one right here, it is crossing at -1 and it's crossing at -4. This one, it is a bit different. We have not a table, but we have points. So what I do here is I type in -5, 0, and I label, and then I have -3, 8, and then I have -2, 6. And I'm going to start graphing these to see which one crosses these points right here. And as you can see here, we typed in this first equation and it's crossing all the points that we typed in. See, let me click on label and they're all there. And it's crossing each one. And that's what you're going to be doing for the rest of the problems. Make sure that you just look into it and match.